VacMaster Chef Eric Villegas here. Today's recipe, well, it's a cocktail. It's actually one of my favorite cocktails. It's the Negroni. Now, I know what you're gonna say, Sous Vide and Negroni? Well, no. The beautiful thing about vacuum packing and sous vide cooking is you don't necessarily have to cook all the time. And this recipe was put together for two reasons. One, when you put all the ingredients for a cocktail in a bag and pull a vacuum, you get a quicker mix. You get a more intense version of that particular recipe, especially since I'm adding a lime wedge and a blood orange wedge to my cocktail. When I pull the vacuum, those flavors are gonna go into the drink far more than you would ever get from just shaking. That's number one. Number two, it looks cool. So what you do is you can make up a bunch of these individual cocktails and have them hanging around your house. Whenever a guest comes over, you just clip it and pour it and drink away. The Negroni is an amazing infused cocktail using sous vide or vacuum pack technology. So creating the classic Negroni is simplicity in itself. It's basically thirds. It's a third of gin, it's a third of Campari, and it's a third of sweet red vermouth. Then with the addition of the classic orange slice. But when I was making one at home not too long ago, I didn't have any oranges. What to do? I grabbed some triple sec. And it was perfect. Just a splash of triple sec is all you need. Or any orange liqueur. Here I'm using Cointreau, but it could be triple sec, it could be Grand Marnier, whatever you have on hand. And then the beauty is everything gets poured into the bag. Now this particular recipe, I've doubled up on everything, so I'm making two cocktails. But the beauty is getting that fruit in there. When we pull a vacuum on this drink, the essential oils and the juices from the fruit are going to blend magically with the actual cocktail. That's why a chamber machine is so important for this particular recipe. How cool does that look? That's two drinks, singles, doubles, triples, whatever you want. Then just clip it open, pour it over ice, and you've got one rockin' cocktail. That's freaking delicious. Oh God, what time is it?
How was it? Did you love it? Wasn't it amazing? Thank you so mucho for watching. Thank you so much. You are what make it possible. Do you want more? Hit like, hit subscribe on your tablet, on your computer, on your phone. I don't care. I want to see you next time right here at the Fresh Bites channel with me, Eric Villegas. We are cooking. It's all about sous vide. See you next time.